Welcome to another 2-Minute Tuesday from Tool House Rock Studio. Today's quick take begins with a stanza from a familiar poem. The time has come, the walrus said, to talk of many things, of shoes and ships and sealing wax, of cabbages and kings. Or, to put Cate's spin on it, the time has come, the teacher said, to talk of serious things, of shoes, comma, ships, comma, conjunction, and sealing wax. And the fact that, according to editor Dreyer, only godless savages eschew the series comma. The serial comma or series comma is sometimes called the Oxford or Harvard comma. It's the comma that separates the last two items in a series. Whatever you call it, use it. A series means 3 or more items, words, phrases, or clauses. Here's an example of 3 clauses from the same Lewis Carroll poem. Their coats were brushed, their faces washed, their shoes were clean and neat. The last item in a series is usually connected with a joining word, such as and or but not always. Brian A. Garner writes, quote, whether to include the serial comma has sparked many arguments, but it's easily answered in favor of including it because omitting the final comma may cause ambiguities, whereas including it never will. Let's say I give you $5 and ask you to buy me these groceries. How many items would you come back with? Please buy me milk, comma, cookies, comma, macaroni and cheese. You'd probably come back with a small carton of milk, a package of cookies, and a blue and white box that says macaroni and cheese. But is that what I wanted? Maybe I wanted this. Please buy me milk, comma, cookies, comma, macaroni, comma, and cheese. A comma makes a difference, so why is there such resistance to the serial comma? Tune in next time to learn the answer and an exception to the rule. And thanks for watching. To try some exercises, go to Touryan.com/quicktakes and check back next time for part 2.